This happened in Dallas, Texas. This trucker saw the sign that said right lane ends. And he backed out to let the other truck over. The Camaro tried to pass during the merge. And was trying to squeeze into the space between the trucks. The Camaro came back afterward for revenge. Because the dashcam truck didn't let him pass earlier. The trucker notices his car was already wrecked. And suspected that he was trying to do a scam, trying to get him to pull over. The truck driver decided to call 911. Unfortunately, 911 was the only choice. But as he grabbed phone and dialed 911, the yellow car accelerated away. Coincidence, or he was watching the trucker? Fortunately, this ended in nothing more but a bad moment.